Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential tool for modern business, Google Meet for Business. Let's explore how this powerful platform can revolutionize your virtual meetings. How to use Google Meet for Business. Now, let's walk through how to get started with Google Meet for your business. 1. Scheduling a meeting. To schedule a meeting, create an event in Google Calendar. Add your details and select Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. 2. Starting a meeting. You can start a meeting directly from the Google Meet homepage or through the Google Meet app by clicking New Meeting. 3. Joining a meeting. Joining is simple. Use the meeting link or enter the meeting code provided by the host. 4. In meeting controls. During the meeting, use intuitive controls to mute, unmute, video cam on off, calling, enable closed caption, raise your hand to mark objection in between meetings, share your screen, and chat with participants. You can share your meeting by clicking Sharing button. You can share your entire screen or single app window or single Chrome tab. Google Meet is transforming the way businesses connect and collaborate. Start using Google Meet today and take your virtual meetings to the next level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.